D.C. Attorney General cracking down on what his office is calling abusive and illegal practices at a high-end adult club in the city's Mount Vernon Triangle neighborhood.
Our Sharon Rajan live with more on those allegations, joining us tonight. Hi, Sharon.
Yeah, Jim, Angie, the 32-page lawsuit is graphic and details some disturbing allegations against the owners of Cloakroom and the business practices as a whole, especially in relation to how they treat their female workers. That's the crux of it all. Now, a representative from Cloakroom apparently says that she is denying the claims and says that they have an upstanding business, but that is a very stark difference from what we're seeing from the AG's report.
These allegations are particularly troubling. They're violations of a panoply of workers' rights.
Cloakroom is a multi-level adult entertainment venue located in Mount Vernon Triangle on K Street near 5th. Its name is widely recognized in the industry, and in 2021, it was named Washington City Paper's Best of D.C. Adult Entertainment winner. But according to a recent lawsuit from D.C.'s Office of Attorney General and an in-depth investigation, the company's practices are coming into question with allegations of an environment of, quote, daily hostility and exploitation of the club's female employees, and claims that the owners not only tolerated the abuse, but perpetuate the abuse themselves.
There are situations of extreme sexual harassment here, including verbal assaults and also physical assaults and sexual touching that happened here.
The lawsuit goes on to claim that there was a system of quid pro quo when it came to requesting time off.
They were not given sick leave at all, but then when they would try to access time off, whether paid or unpaid, there would be situations where managers would ask for sexual favors in exchange for giving that time off.
The OAG's investigators say Cloakroom also cheated its dancers out of hundreds of thousands of dollars throughout the years.
Extreme wage theft, like having a system like the Cloak Bucks, where it was tips that customers believed were going to the entertainers and should have been going to the entertainers, but instead were going back to pad the pockets of Cloakroom.
The women and witnesses are being applauded for coming forward, since workers who spoke up were allegedly punished or retaliated against. Those who live and work in the area had this to say.
I'm hoping that this is a perfect example of we're finally starting to stand up for ourselves, and women as a whole and men are also standing up for women as well.
Sounds like if there's evidence there and they're on it, then justice will be served.
Now, I made multiple attempts to reach Cloakroom tonight to get their side of things. They denied those requests. We'll see how all of this plays out in the courts. Guys.